Welcome to our comprehensive market analysis series, where we dive into the pulse of the market, exploring some of the most dynamic and influential stocks and ETFs that shape our financial landscape. Today, we're zeroing in on a diverse set of tickers: IWM, SMH, NVDA, AMZN, and AMD, each a leader in its respective domain. From the bustling arena of small-cap stocks to the critical world of semiconductors, we cover the spectrum to bring you detailed insights. We'll dissect the movements of these market indicators, looking at their bullish scores and momentum readings to understand investor sentiment and the underlying factors driving their performance. Whether you're an experienced investor seeking to refine your portfolio or a newcomer trying to get the lay of the land, our analysis is designed to provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions. We aim to cut through the noise and provide clarity on where these stocks and sectors stand in today's market. So, buckle up as we embark on this financial journey, and let's decode the signals the market is sending us. Stay tuned for a minute-by-minute breakdown of each ticker, coming up next. IWM iShares Russell 2000 ETF. Welcome to our deep dive into the IWM, the ETF that tracks the Russell 2000 Index, a small-cap stock market index. With a bullish score of 28, there's moderate optimism about the potential growth of these smaller companies. The momentum indicator at 3.43 suggests a gradual increase in buying pressure. Small-cap stocks can be more volatile, but they offer the potential for significant growth, especially during economic recoveries when smaller companies can quickly capitalize on new opportunities. However, these types of stocks can also be sensitive to domestic economic changes, so the moderate bullish score here might indicate investor caution amidst economic uncertainties. The IWM's performance is essential to watch for those interested in the broader economy's health, as it can signal emerging trends and the potential for innovation-driven growth. SMH VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF. Next, let's examine SMH, representing the semiconductor sector's performance. This ETF has a bullish score of 42, paired with a momentum of 12.03, indicating robust confidence and upward movement in the market. Semiconductors are fundamental to almost all modern technology, and their demand is a bellwether for tech growth. The sector has seen substantial growth due to increased demand in various industries, from automotive to consumer electronics. With technology's expansion, semiconductors are becoming even more crucial, and this is reflected in the ETF's performance. Investors are optimistic, but aware of the challenges such as supply chain constraints and geopolitical tensions that may affect the industry. Watching SMH can give us foresight into tech's future and potential supply-side economics in the market. NVIDIA Corporation. Focusing on NVIDIA, a giant in the graphics processor industry, we see a high bullish score of 71 and a momentum of 11.01. NVIDIA's role in gaming, data centers, and AI has positioned it as a key player in several fast-growing industries. The bullish score here suggests that investors have high expectations for NVIDIA's continued growth, especially considering its innovation in AI and expansion into automotive technologies with self-driving cars. The high momentum is a testament to the market's strong buying activity as NVIDIA continues to surpass performance expectations. While NVIDIA's growth potential is significant, it's also important for investors to monitor competition and market saturation as the company expands. Amazon.com, Inc. Turning to Amazon, a leader in e-commerce and cloud computing, we find a bullish score of 22 with a momentum of 6.05. This lower bullish score may reflect some concerns over growth sustainability after the pandemic-driven surge and potential regulatory scrutiny. However, Amazon's cloud business, AWS, is still a dominant force and a significant profit driver. The company is also expanding into new sectors such as grocery, healthcare, and possibly even media and entertainment. The momentum suggests cautious optimism as Amazon continues to invest heavily in its infrastructure and explore new markets. Investors will likely watch how consumer behavior changes post-pandemic and how Amazon adapts to these changes. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated. Lastly, we look at AMD, a major semiconductor company and direct competitor to NVIDIA. With a bullish score of 33 and a momentum of 3.92, there is a healthy optimism about AMD's role in the semiconductor space. AMD has been gaining ground with its CPUs and GPUs, challenging industry leaders. The company has made significant strides in improving its technology, which is reflected in its rising market share. The momentum indicates steady growth, likely buoyed by the global chip demand and AMD's strategic partnerships and acquisitions. However, investors remain somewhat cautious, keeping an eye on the intense competition and innovation pace in the industry. Each of these charts presents a unique story about their respective companies and sectors. They reveal the intricate dance between investor sentiment, company performance, and market trends. Remember, while past performance can guide us, the market is always looking forward, and so should we. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, keep investing with information and insight. Disclaimer: the content provided in this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, accounting, or legal advice. The information is not intended to be investment advice or any kind of professional advice. You should not make any decision, financial, investment, trading, or otherwise, based on any of the information presented in this video without undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or financial advisory. The author or presenter does not accept any liability for any loss or damage whatsoever caused in reliance upon such information. Viewers are advised to conduct their own research and make decisions in consultation with their financial advisor.